Weight loss ways. Obesity is a growing concern in today's world. By following the given weight loss instructions, you can lose weight and maintain a steady weight throughout. Java burn. One can lose weight and stay slim and trim by consuming Java burn. Java burn causes rapid and substantial weight loss. Java burn prevents the formation of fat in the body. Experts say that consumption of Java burn significantly increases energy expenditure and also has a significant effect on fat oxidation. So it is safe and helps immensely in weight loss. Java burn product link given in description, you can buy from there. Water. Consumption of water helps in weight loss. Water contains no calories, cholesterol and fat. Studies have shown that high water consumption, despite being metabolized into energy, does not allow excess fat to accumulate and helps in weight loss. So, by increasing water consumption, fat will not accumulate and thus you will be able to lose weight. 8 to 12 glasses of water helps in weight loss. Free diet plan. Free diet plan is also helpful in weight loss for those people who are busy and don't have time to shop and prepare their own food. Free diet plans are mostly prepared on the advice of dietitians and nutritionists. Therefore, these are specially organized for athletes and dieters as they are low in fat and calories. As a result, by using free diet plans, you can lose weight and maintain it consistently. Balanced and nutritious diet. Weight loss can be achieved with a balanced and nutritious diet. A balanced and nutritious diet should be as per the requirement of your body. If you want to have a balanced and nutritious diet, you should cut out fat from your diet and include juicy fruits, green leafy vegetables, roughage, cereals and brown bread that is fat-free and rich in protein. If you think you are overweight, and you want to lose weight fast, then product link given in description, please find from there, and buy it. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and share our videos to your overweight friend, relatives and neighbor. Thanks for watching.